Tutun biar posik, alasi 3 minit man apnak disu ya matang kobo parna kobo leban.
Respected President, sir. Respected President, sir, our Secretary, sir, and all the members of APHCLC. And first of all, I want to thank APHCLC for taking me in a group, and very happy to find everyone here. And I just want to recommend all the informations are given by our head, and I want to say that it is very important for us to know about our rights and our what are the means rules we have to follow, and that is the main important thing. And whatever the sirs and our sirs had told to you all, it is all being followed. And I want to say is that mainly that whatever the progress we are doing is all for us. The sixth schedule is doing all for the tribal peoples, not only that one tribe. We are the community of all the tribes. And so we have to be united, and unity can bring us a big success. Unity always brings success, so we have to combine and all do the things together. As we have seen recently in Manipur, there is a lot of destructions going on, so we have to see all those problems and conclude that what the future of us can be also. So it is very important that we have to know our rights and all the rules and regulations. So it is, I want to say is that there must be not any destructions like we have seen in Manipur about the tribes, and we have to know the rights of all the six schedules. Also, I want to say is that the last that unity will bring us together, and I'm also very proud that Sir has given me an opportunity to be a part of APLCLC, and I will try my level best to rise up this APLC group. And thank you for all, and thank you, sir, and Karam.
Thank you, Mrida Syam, for your wonderful speech. And then may God bless you in the days to come. Hope everything will be okay. You convince your community.